Sunday, October 8th. Flooded with God's grace. Lord, teach me to be generous. Today's first reading deals with the unfruitful vine, taken from the book of Isaiah. We see that the master of the vineyard chose the fertile land and prepared it for growing grapes. He chose the best vines and planted them. He was sure that he would reap a very good harvest. The master provided everything for the vine to yield good fruits, but the vine gave him wild grapes. In today's gospel, we have a similar situation where the master who owns the land and the produce in it sends his son as a last option to collect the produce of the vineyard from the tenants. The tenants kill him. In both cases, the master had great expectations. The vine or the tenants never fulfilled the master's expectation. God's love and mercy are unconditional, and that is why He incarnated, so that we may repent and share in His love and mercy. God's grace is unconditional love, and His blessings have already flooded the entire humanity. As a result, God expects us to yield kingdom values or righteousness wherever we are rooted. We need to be transformed from our self-centeredness and abide by Christ in spirit to be fruitful. Let us repent from our narcissistic tendencies and become more other-centered, so that we may reap 100-fold in our day-to-day life. Pray and practice. Dear Lord, teach me to become more aware of Your presence in my life and to selflessly serve those who are in need.